Hey you guys, it's Kailin back with another video, and I hope you're having the very best week you've ever had in your entire life. Today's video is going to be a little bit different and a whole lot shorter because I have 5 minutes, yes, 5 freaking minutes, to basically run through my love story with makeup, beauty, all of it, and tell you guys why I should be a part of the James Charles beauty series that is happening in 2020, literally right around the corner. But he is looking for 6 people that he is going to fly out to LA, and then he is going to have them in this reality series that is going to be on YouTube Original. So we are going to get into this video because I have literally only got 5 minutes. So before we get into my foundations, I do like to use a nice oil, or I like to use a serum, but this will just hydrate your skin and it'll give your full coverage foundations with more of a matte finish, more of a satin finish at the end. Growing up, my parents really encouraged my artistic abilities, and they always encouraged me to play with makeup. I remember my mom let me walk out of the house with neon green eyeshadow. Her friend looked at her and was like, "Are you gonna let her do that? It's not blended." I really fell in love with makeup when I was going into a different middle school. I had just lost my best friend who lived with us, and I lost my dad. I think my mom at that time really just wanted to give me and my siblings a fresh start. And in that new school, I was bullied going into that new school, and I didn't have what these other kids had, and I just felt like I wasn't good enough. I didn't have the money. I didn't have the education that they had. Like, I felt like I couldn't catch up in my classes, and I don't think that these kids potentially could understand like what I had just gone through and what I had lost. And you know what? I didn't have a lot of friends, but you know what I had? I had art, and I had that skill. And I was an artist on paper, but like on your face, I had just played with it. I was never serious about it. And then I remember the first time that my aunt gave me a Stila palette. It was just a little quad palette that she just didn't want anymore. It was nothing special. I mean, it was this little piece of sophistication. I would think, I'm just not good enough. And then when I got that Stila palette, it was like this little piece of confidence that I carried around with me. And then at night I would go home and I would practice looks, and it was something that I just kind of was immersed in. It was like my art from paper had transferred onto the face. Soon enough, I was known as the girl who could do makeup, and makeup just was my power. Like, art was my power, not even just makeup. I didn't get started on YouTube for a long time because I was honestly I wanted no part of the toxic community. Makeup became so mean, YouTube became so mean, social media became such a mean place. I decided one day, like, screw it, just do it. And I did it because I felt like the one thing that I bring to the table is me, and that's my power. And once beauty was my power, makeup was my power. And I was scared of it now because it was so intimidating and such a scary place to be on the internet. But that's not at all what makeup, and that's not at all what beauty is about. Creativity has absolutely no limit. Makeup has no rules, and I think really with my channel, what I just want to do is be a space in the community that doesn't put those rules on people and doesn't say, if you're doing this, you're doing it wrong. I want to encourage people to come and to bring themselves as they are, and I want to give them a place where they can smile and leave with some amount of positivity in this community. And I want to help be a change in this community. I want to help be a refresher in this community. Before we go any further, I just need you all to know we will be using the one and only James Charles palettes. At the end of the day, what I want is for people to come to my channel. I want people to feel encouraged, and I want people to feel heard, and I want people to feel not intimidated by makeup. And if I could be known as someone who helped to build up their audience and help them see their confidence and fall in love with themselves, then I could honestly die happy. Baby, you got me like Makeup does not equal beauty. Makeup is fun, and makeup is a good time. Makeup is art at the core of everything, and makeup has no rules. Beauty is from within, and falling in love with yourself over and over again, and being able to take the love that you feel for yourself and make your friends feel that way. If you do like my videos and you do want to stick around, don't forget to don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that notification bell if you guys want to stick around. James, if you are watching, I just want to say thank you so much to you and your team for coming up with this idea. 1, that's incredible. But 2, I just want to say thank you for giving smaller influencers the chance, because I feel like this is the definition of beauty. This is loving yourself and being able to love yourself enough to spread that and share it with others. And I think that is so incredible, and it's so inspiring. So I just want to say thank you, congratulations. Again, thank you so much to each and every single one of you who watches my videos. I love you guys so much. Have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah. Bye, beauties.